Certains d'entre nous parlent espagnol, italien, polonais, russe, néerlandais et japonais. Notre départ est proche, merci de vous asseoir attachés.
Electronic devices while they are charging.
Nous allons bientôt décoller. La tablette, le porte-gobelet et le repose-jambes.
Bienvenue à Paris. Welcome to Paris, and kind of perfect cloudy day with a little bit rain to clean up the streets for us and this afternoon, hopefully. And do not leave anything on the bus. This is our transfer service, so we're not going to see the same bus. Well, when you go to the Louvre Jardin Tuileries, it's not a big street. So that's easy. Not too busy. That's a good thing is now it tells you whether that station is too busy. Trocadero. Trocadero. Okay, that's where we're getting off.
This did not exist.
Okay.
And it was just like an empty like field, and then like eventually they constructed it, and like as it was being constructed, it was really funny because a lot of people were saying like, this is an eyesore, this is bad, this is ugly, right? So like, I think it's really funny because now we have a similar situation happening in Miami.
Oh,
with
topical.
with the
Topical.
Yeah, with that spider-looking thing that's like
The bridge.
like the weird like
bridge.
brutalist fuck.
The spider bridge.
Yeah, that.
Yes.
Everyone's like, it's hideous, it's ugly, they're wasting
No,
our
yeah.
money. And then it's like, bro, like what if that becomes our Eiffel Tower?
That's gonna be Miami's Eiffel Tower. You heard it here first, folks.
So many locks, metal locks on walking bridge across the it's called significant because it was to calibrate.
Notre Dame.
first day at the Louvre. I was so excited. There was a strike that day, which made it take forever to get into the museum. But honestly, good for you, Persians. I love that.
This is the pyramid. This was considered the steepest. St. Francis feeling the pain of Christ when he was crucified. So his hand, his heart, this is that where the nails went in. Here, do you see Francis?
So this room is actually the original salon in the Louvre. It was the official venue in 1725, and I just thought that was so interesting.
Damascena, triumph of the arts at the time. He was a very nice man in his personality, except Giorgio Vasari, the first biographer, said he was just so.
This was amazing. I mean, it was a great painting, and then you go to the other side and there's another painting, like, okay. And then this is the room with the Mona Lisa. As you can see, you cannot appreciate the art at all because there are so many people. And it's such a shame because there are so many other beautiful paintings that I really wanted to see, but it was kind of ruined by everyone else pushing and shoving me. But it's okay because I got to kind of see her.
It's an Italian word again. On the other side, it doesn't matter. Wave your shirt so people, oh, see the boat? They can see that. Let's wave. This is the side of boat. So you change its composition. It used to be horizontal in rising composition with a dual triangulation. You have one pyramid of hope, one pyramid downward of despair.
I loved this room. It had all of the paintings that I learned about in art history throughout my whole life. And it was just so cool to see them in person. Like, this was so cool because after this we went to Versailles and we saw the second painting. It was so cool. Of course. And then I saw this piece by Elizabeth Vigée-Lebrun. This one right here. And I just love this piece. And then these structures in the back, they're called caryatids, and it's a sculpted female figure that also functions as an architectural support that replaces a column or pillar.
Bondesa. Okay.
This is where people put on logs.
Oh, okay, yeah.
There are over 1 million logs originally.
And then that's Saint-Chapelle.
Saint-Chapelle.
And then Notre Dame.
Let's see it.
By this point, I already felt like Paris is a pretty easy city to navigate. I already kind of knew where I was and where things were, and that was just a really good feeling, just to kind of know. This is École des Beaux-Arts, the art school in Paris, the big one, you know. My professor actually went here, which was really cool. And then we got to visit the Delacroix Museum. It was so cool. The museum was located in his old apartment, and it had a bunch of his work, sketches, just all that good stuff. And then located right down the stairs is his studio, and it's literally my dream studio. It has a garden. Look at this. Amazing. And then you go inside the studio and it's so spacious. It has skylights. It has an unfinished painting, which I love seeing unfinished paintings because you just get to see the way the artist's mind works, and I love it. I love that. And then imagine you have a long day of painting and then you just go outside and you get to sit in your own garden. Like, this is my dream. Literally my dream. And then we went to Sennelier, and of course I made a purchase, because why not? After this, it started pouring rain and I didn't get any footage, but we did go to the street where Caillebotte painted Paris Street Rainy Day, which was really cool because it was indeed a rainy day when we saw the street. And it was just so cool to stand in this place that kind of made art history, you know? And since everyone on the trip was an artist, we were all just nerding out, and it was really beautiful, honestly. And then I just came back to the hotel and I journaled a bit, and it was just a great way to end the day.